by creating a new parking solution for e-scooters for the Deutsche Bahn rail system in Germany. This solution was created using a lubrication-free linear system from igus. With this system, passengers can park their e-scooters in a special lift that automatically pulls the scooter up against the wall to save space. Arnold AG was faced with the challenge of developing a compact positioning system that is also lubrication and maintenance free. To solve this, they turned to igus maintenance-free linear systems. Working together, we found a space-saving, low-profile solution with the drylin SLW-25 system. The lift is driven by a stepper motor and offers safety functions such as overload protection and a self-locking dry spin lead screw to prevent uncontrolled slipping or backdriving. 3 reasons to choose drylin. 1. Lubrication and maintenance free. 2. Quiet running. 3. Easy installation and safe operation in public spaces. To learn more about how drylin can improve and optimize your linear system, click the link below.